Hi there, parents of Sally Mally. As you all know, I'm Mrs. Morgan. I see you all pretty much every day, so there's no real introduction there. I just wanted to record a little video because obviously Parents' Evening this year, we have to do it a little bit differently than we would have ordinarily done it in previous years, where we'd invite you in and you'd come and chat with us within Sally Mally. You'd obviously then get to see Sally Mally and its environment, all the children's work and so on. So it's really sad that you can't come in this year, but of course what we're going to do this year, as I'm sure you're all very aware of by now, is that we are going to have phone calls which are going to last about 10 minutes long. So really the purpose of the video is to just explain to you what we've been doing in Sally Mally, what the children, have been doing in Sally Mally during the last few weeks of them being there, from the start really, so that actually when I do come to call you, or when Miss Blackbarrow calls you, we will just be able to chat about how your little ones have settled in and how they are and how they've been so far with us, okay? So really, I think I'll just start by saying that our theme this year has been is called from the very beginning. So yn Gymraeg o'r cychwyn cyntaf, from the very beginning. And what we've been looking at really is what we do the first few weeks within Meithrin is just to see how where your children are at when they're coming. So we just look at things like their number skills, how do they know their shapes, their colours, what do they know in Welsh, all of those things really, just so we can get a good foundation and we know where we're starting with them all. So we just know where they're at, and we do that for the first few weeks, as I mentioned. And since then, we've then looked at them as individuals. So they will look at, we'll ask them about themselves, how they look. We'll start introducing the vocabulary for eyes, nose, those sorts of things, the body. And then we'll look at their family. So we'll get to know you guys, who's in the family, who do they live with, do they have any pets, what do they enjoy doing, all of those sorts of lovely things that we really do like to know, because it then builds up a nice connection between us and the children. It's a nice point of conversation as well with them. And then we look at where they live, and then moving from that, we then have looked at, as I'm sure you've realised, we've looked at the Very Hungry Caterpillar, which they thoroughly enjoyed. They really did enjoy that. With the Hungry Caterpillar, we looked at healthy eating, because obviously the Hungry Caterpillar didn't eat all healthy items. He did eat some yummy things as well. So we looked at healthy eating, we looked at grouping them, what was healthy and unhealthy. We looked at the colours and the patterns and all of those things that we can find in the book. We counted the days of the week, the amounts of food, so it lent itself very well to a variety of different things, maths, language and all of those things. We looked at scissor skills, we did some cutting out, we did a graph on favourite foods. So that was a really chunky couple of weeks that we did there. It was lovely. And after that we looked at the autumn, and we looked at, because it was coming up to Halloween, so we did we had some pumpkins, we de-seeded them, we emptied them, they then counted the seeds, they created things from the seeds. What else did we do? We looked at hibernation and animals that hibernate. And what else did we do? We looked at all those lovely autumnal colours and leaves, and we did things with the leaves. We did the hedgehog. I wanted to say Drainog then. We looked at the hedgehog. So that was lovely. We did a week on that. After that then came half term. So since half term we've looked at fireworks night. We looked at the history of fireworks, about fireworks and Gyda Fork and all of that. as well as this week now we are doing Diwali. We've read the story of Ram and Sita, and of course we're looking at all those lovely patterns that comes with fireworks, and the Rangoli patterns, the henna patterns, the colours that are involved. So we've done the lanterns as well, which they'll come home with you now over the next week or two. And then after this week, moving forward, it paves the way for a nice Christmas theme. So we're going to again look at hibernation. I'm going to delve a bit deeper into that. We are going to look at clothing, appropriate clothing. We're going to design some scarves and hats, as well as we're going to do the weather, and then of course a mixture then of, we'll do the Christmas cards and the decorations. We're going to practice some sewing. Yeah, so it's going to be a packed few weeks. And of course, in addition to all of those lovely things that we do differently each week or each fortnight, what we then do a mixture of is we'll do trick a chlick with them. We'll practice letter writing. We're practicing their names.